Hi, it's Matt with OctoClean, and if you're thinking about starting a business, I'm sure that you have a lot of questions and a lot of concerns about what that would look like. Today we're going to answer the top 5 questions that our franchise prospects have about OctoClean and starting an OctoClean franchise. Let's get started. Absolutely not. You don't need any experience to start an OctoClean franchise in the cleaning industry. In fact, we prefer, in some cases, that you don't, so that you don't come in with any bad habits. However, if you do have experience in the cleaning industry, you're only going to be enhancing what OctoClean will train you. So no fear, if you have no experience, it doesn't hurt at all. You're not alone in not knowing how to start a business. That's really the reason why our franchisees come to us in the first place. We're going to help you every step of the way. From the first day to years down the road, you're going to have multiple questions about your business and how things work and don't work. That's why we're here. This is a very common question, and the answer is yes, it's very flexible. If you want to clean your buildings later in the evening or earlier in the evening, as long as the customers that you're servicing give you blocks of time, typically 12 hours or so, 6 p.m. to 6 a.m., you're the boss. You make those times. We have nothing to do with that, and we encourage you to have your business fit into the life that you want. Yes, we will get you your cleaning accounts. Most people are afraid of sales because they don't want to be rejected over and over and over again, or they don't know how to bid these accounts. So what we do is we support you by getting you your initial business, and then as you grow, if you want to take on additional business, we'll also assist you with that. So there's no question that you're going to get complaints. And the answer is no, we're not going to take your accounts away from you when you get them, because complaints equal opportunity. If you are getting complaints, it gives you the chance to learn what you are doing incorrectly so that you can make your customer happier than they were before. The issue that does happen in any industry is that if your complaints continue and they're repetitive, then yes, we'll have more direct conversations about how things need to be taken care of. But the simple answer is no, we're not going to be taking your accounts from you if you get complaints. It's normal that you would get those. I hope that answered some of your questions. If you're interested in learning more about an OctoClean franchise, please click the link below in the description. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe. We regularly have new information available for you. Until next time, see you later.